Welcome to our channel, Magic Mind. Today, we're going to talk about the law of attraction, a mysterious force that can help us achieve our dreams and goals. Let's explore what it really means and how we can harness this power in our lives. The law of attraction is the principle that our thoughts and emotions attract similar experiences into our lives. When we focus on positive things, we attract more positive energy. Essentially, what we send out is what comes back to us. The power of the law of attraction lies in the fact that our thoughts can shape our reality. Many people who practice it have experienced transformations in their careers, relationships, and personal growth. It is a tool that allows us to work with our energy and open the door to new possibilities. The law of attraction consists of 4 key steps. Step 1. Awareness of your thoughts. The first step is to become aware of the thoughts that resonate within you. Try to replace negative thoughts with positive affirmation. Step 2. Visualization. Imagine your ideal life. Every day, take a moment to create a mental picture of what you want to achieve. Believe that you already have it and feel how amazing it is. Step 3. Gratitude. Express gratitude for everything you have. A grateful mindset strengthens positive energy and opens the door to even more miracles. Step 4. Patience and consistency. Results don't come instantly. Practice these techniques regularly and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Try writing down 3 things you are grateful for every day. This simple habit will help you maintain positive energy and stay focused on what truly matters. Remember, everything begins in your mind. Change your thoughts, and you change your world. You have been given a magic mind. Use it wisely. And one more important thing, it's not just about wanting something. What truly matters is believing that you already have it. On our Magic Mind channel, we will guide you whether it's about money, health, success, or love. We're here to help. It's up to you how disciplined you are and what results you achieve. I personally believe in you, that you will eventually learn to work with your mind and direct it in the right way. You can accomplish anything, you just have to believe in yourself. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. May the law of attraction bring you all the best. See you next time.